Say thank you guys so much for all your comments and your support and your well wishes and prayers and everything. You know, I'm reading your comments. I just, you know, I don't have time to comment back to everybody, but I am reading them, and we thank you so much for all your support. You get them? That looks pretty secure. Huh? Yeah, you and me both.
I tried to get a video on this one, but
oh no?
I think I stick her down from all the other ones.
Well, it's got to be better than not having them on, right? Hopefully. All right, so we're getting everything secure inside the camper here, and then we're gonna head on back. We're nervous and we're antsy and we can't wait. It's probably about 2 o'clock right now. The wind is still a little bit heavy, but we think with the sway bars on, we'll be all right. If it gets to be too bad, you know, we'll pull over or whatnot, but we'll see when we get there. There's a big old mamma jamma up here. Sideways trees. Lost the sign. Oh dear. These people bet you wrote it out.
Oh shit.
Oh dang. It's okay, Benny.
Is there a street before that?
No, this is the street.
No, I can't get to it.
There might be... There's a road right there somewhere. I don't know if it's right after it or right before it. Wait,
It's after.
oh dear. We gotta back up because you can't get... There's a tree right here. Can't get through down there. Awning on that one flipped upside down. Over there. Is that good grief.
The buildings, wind.
No, they were there. They tied it down.
Oh, they stayed in the trail?
No, they left, but they tied the camper down.
Is that the brand new shed?
No, the brand new shed's down there.
Shingle roof out here is fucking smoked. The sheds did not fare well. Shingles did not fare well. I'm impressed with the way the trailers held out.
Oh yeah, I mean they were
They were
out like a
probably
boss, that's for sure.
1041 Hurricane.
But this one didn't make it. Look at all the.
It was still just the add-on. No amenities for a while.
No amenities. I want half my rent back. So yeah, it fared pretty well, I think, considering,
Yeah,
I mean,
too.
these are all just mobile, lightweight campers and fifth wheels and whatnot, and manufactured homes. But also, this was more inland. It didn't get the full brunt of the storm. But where we're headed now to our hometown, this is about 45 minutes from where we live, where the micro tiny house is and all that. So I'm sure it's going to be a whole nother story when we get to that town.
Just peeled that
Full parking lot. Jeez Louise. They're all turning in with their boats. I think they're meeting up to, dang, all the boats. Oh dear.
This is power line down, I told you. I guess you went over too.
Oh God. Oh, it's scaring me.
Come on, rubber tires.
I know, but still. They're allowed to come down the bridge into the water, but
Road might be gone.
I mean, what is this guy doing? He doesn't, like, he's just taking pictures. Oh, he's going back. Oh, the red truck.
So just go.
See if he makes it.
No thanks, I'm not going through
That's pretty deep. Oh God, creating tidal
there.
waves.
I know, I'm telling you.
Let's go get my truck. We'll make it in my truck. They're allowed to come down the bridge into the water, but
Road might be gone.
I mean, what is this guy doing? He doesn't, like, he's just taking pictures. Oh, he's going back. Oh, the red truck.
So just go.
See if he makes it.
No thanks, I'm not going through there.
That's pretty deep. Oh God, creating tidal
I
waves.
know, I'm telling you.
Let's go get my truck. We'll make it in my truck. The river is pouring over the road. Looks like, oh, it's actually like raging through. That's what happened on State Road 7. That one picture. Raging river. That's another one. Good night. Why are they doing that? Lead the way. That little car over there is going through it. If that little thing's gonna make it. So free, it's so free. The freest made it. River. Holy shit. Holy crap. Wait till we get to this bridge.
Oh no, they're turning us around.
Holy shit.
Now we're fucked.
Are we really?
Well, because we can't go back. They
Holy
closed it going that way.
fuck. Shit. Oh, this is where the Peace River campground is, isn't it? No? Isn't this the park we were eating at the other day? Holy crap. Should have brought my truck. We can get out with my truck.
Is that a fire truck over there last time?
That's the boat ramp. What? Holy river. So are those the only two ways to get out of here?
Gotta cross the river, so we're gonna have to go north to Sulphur Springs. The next place down is Lettuce Lake Road. And there's no way that's going to open. That's not very high anyway.
You think we can get through there?
No, could be close to something. So my best bet's to go north. Maybe we can pass it in Brownsville. Maybe we went to that little campsite in Fossil Honey.
Yeah.
Another river crossing there.
Holy
We'll try that
crap.
one first.
Now the way that we just came in here, they have the roads blocked off now, so we can't go back the other way. So there's only one other option that we can get into Port Charlotte from here, and that is, Donny's saying it's a lot lower of a bridge than what we just went, the two that we went to.
There's Lettuce Lake, and the next is the Port Charlotte, or the 75 bridge. We'll not be able to get to the 75 bridge. If the interstate's open there. These roads dip down here. We wouldn't go down that fucking road.
Jeez, oh my God. The sign.
Yeah, I don't know if we're getting to the micro tiny.
We're getting to the micro tiny. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, Benny. Come here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.